Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by verifying the essentials. Confirm the Koorui model and firmware version so you know supported audio paths. Next, make sure the power cable is seated and the monitor LED is on. A dim LED can mean limited audio functionality. Then check the source device output. Choose HDMI versus 3.5 mm headphone depending on how you connected. Once done, swap cables quickly to rule out a bad lead. This first scan removes simple hardware causes fast. You now dive into settings. Open the monitor OSD and confirm the input matches the physical connection, then ensure the monitor's internal speakers aren't muted. On your computer or phone, open sound settings and explicitly set the Koorui monitor as the default playback device so audio routes correctly. If using HDMI, verify audio format compatibility. Finally, update monitor firmware and your device's audio drivers. Mismatches can break the audio handshake. You finish by running functional tests. Play a YouTube clip, a local audio file, and a smartphone audio stream. This reveals whether the problem is format-specific. If sound still fails, plug headphones or external speakers into the monitor or source to isolate whether the speakers are faulty. When everything else fails, perform a factory reset on the monitor. Make sure to note previous settings. One troubleshooting tip: if audio appears after a reset, reinstall the latest firmware and drivers to prevent recurrence.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.